everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to clear your Google Maps history using a PC or laptop. If you want to remove your previous searches, places you've viewed, or other Maps activity from your Google account, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to Google Maps. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account whose Maps history you want to delete. Next, click the menu icon in the top left corner, then select *your data in Maps ***. This will open your Google Maps activity settings. On the new page, find the *** Maps History * section and click *C and delete Activity *. You'll be taken to your Google My Activity page, where all of your Google Maps activity is stored. Now click the *delete ** button. You'll see several options, including Delete Today *, Delete Custom Range ***, Delete All Time *, and Auto Delete ***. Choose the option that works best for you. If you want to erase everything, select *delete All Time *, then confirm your choice by clicking ** delete when prompted. After a few moments, your selected Google Maps history will be removed from your account. If you don't want to delete your history manually every time, you can also choose *auto delete and let Google automatically remove your Maps activity after a selected period. And that's it. That's how you clear your Google Maps history on a PC or laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Maps tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.